Waiting in line at the DMV is a special kind of hell. Long waits, confusing requirements, and uncomfortable chairs. You know how it goes. There's something worse than waiting at the DMV that keeps over 500,000 New Yorkers needlessly hungry. You see, over 500,000 New Yorkers qualify for food stamps, but don't have them. Why? Well, the application process is like going to the DMV, but drawn out for a month. And it involves confusing forms like this. You can help us change all that. Hi, I'm Shelley.
I'm Ken. I'm Jimmy.
I'm Wendy.
And we're a team at Significance Labs, a social good incubator for building products for low-income Americans. We built a tool that saves hardworking food stamp applicants valuable time by creating a way for them to apply to food stamps without having to set foot in a food stamps office. Why is avoiding the office so important? Here's what the current process involves. First, you have to get to the SNAP office to apply. Average time, 1 hour. Wait to be seen. The average wait time is 3 hours. Fill out paperwork, which takes about half an hour. Get interviewed, which takes 30 more minutes. Commute back, which takes, about an hour. Gather proof of residence, income, and identity, which takes 3 hours. Go back to the office to have it all reviewed and photocopied, probably an hour. Get back home, another hour. And finally, wait up to 30 days to hear back. It's a time-consuming process that taxes those least likely to afford it. So here's what we've built to change that. We built and launched EasyFoodStamps.com 3 weeks ago. It's a website that condenses the current paper application to a few key questions. It prepares you for your food stamp interview in advance and faxes in documents to the food stamp office on your behalf from pictures taken on your phone. And we built it to work on any smartphone. EasyFoodStamps.com is in its early stages, but the response has been amazing. When the site launched, we spent $200 in Facebook ads to test user response. Hundreds of people visited, and 55 people started a food stamp application through our site. We've invested about $4 per applicant so far, and we're still guiding them through the process. Think about this. The average food stamp benefit is about $1,600 a year per person. That means that every $4 we put in could lead to a fellow New Yorker getting $1,600 a year for food. Now that's powerful. This is where you come in. Our fellowship is ending soon, but we'd like to keep building Easy Food Stamps full-time. We want to get all 500,000 eligible New Yorkers SNAP benefits, starting with our first 55 applicants. We're open sourcing our code and keeping Easy Food Stamps free to use. In the last 9 weeks, we built a functioning site that real people are already using. In 9 more weeks, we want to start expanding beyond New York City. Your donation will go towards development of our site. You'll help us follow up with our current applicants, buy ads to get the word out, and develop specific features for nonprofits we're already talking to use. Every $4 means one more person or family getting 1 year of SNAP benefits. That's huge. So join us in revolutionizing the way that hardworking Americans apply for important government benefits. Thank you.